Hello my friends, welcome back to Atmaflow. In today's video I show you the Wim Hof breathing method. I practice myself since a couple of years, and it's also the preparation for the world-known ice bath. But if you go into the cold, if you go take an ice bath, it's good to prepare your mind to this breathing technique. It helps you also with your performance, if you're an athlete or if you go running, workout, doing your yoga. It helps you to increase your oxygen intake so you can breathe better during your exercises. There's different ways how to perform the Wim Hof breathing. You can sit, you can lie down, you can breathe to the nose, to the mouth. I don't like mouth breathing, but in this case I prefer it actually. It gives you more oxygen intake, but in general it's recommended to breathe with your nose. So if you, for example, if you sit, you can take a cushion that is sit a little bit higher. It's kind of yogic breathing, so you breathe deep into the belly, up to the diaphragm, full up the lungs, all the way up to the chest. So one breath would be like this. And then you just let go. If you breathe into the nose, it's maybe easier if you let go to the mouth. So this will be one breath. We will continue to do 30 to 40 breaths. And if you do it to the mouth, it will look like this. Although I like usually doing my pranayama and breath work during sitting, but in this case I prefer lying down because you can get more oxygen into your whole system. You can also place a cushion under your head if you want. In this video now we will do one round of Wim Hof breathing. I recommend to do at least 3 rounds before you start doing your exercises. The breathing you can do through your nose, through your mouth. You can sit, you can lie. Even though I don't prefer mouth breathing, but in this case it's for me at least a more powerful way to get more oxygen in. But you have to find your own way to see what works best for you. So we breathe 30 breaths. I show you one breath. Into the nose, it's yogic breathing. You breathe into the belly, up to the lungs, diaphragm, and open up your chest. And then just let go without any effort. Or with the mouth. "30 breaths, and then at the last breath, deeply inhale, then fully exhale, and then you hold. With no air in the lungs, you hold the breath for as long as you can, for as long as you feel comfortable with. But it's recommended to hold the breath for at least 90 seconds, to get the most benefit out of it. But don't worry if you can't do it 90 seconds. You do whatever you can, you do whatever feels right for you. And then with no air in the lungs, you hold the breath and you will feel some kind of tingling sensation. Maybe you see some lights, and because you're lacking oxygen, so you're kind of hyperventilating, you increase your stress level, but that's all controlled. And then after 1-2 minutes, you hold the breath without air in the lungs. Then you breathe in fully. And squeeze your buttocks, your belly up to the head, and you hold again for another 15 seconds. And then you let go, and this is one round of Wim Hof breathing. I can recommend you using a stopwatch to just time yourself. I like to do it without, to just focus on the breathing, but sometimes it helps, especially in the beginning, to see how long you can hold the breath. And sometimes you get really amazing results, like 2 minutes or 3 minutes or even more. My high score was 3 minutes 19 seconds, and it's really amazing if you can hold the breath for such a long time. Okay, I will show you one round now of the breathing. Okay, with your mind, follow your breath. We're doing 30 breaths. Fully in and let go. Another fully in and just let go. Fully in and let go. Fully into your belly, chest, head, and let go. everything you got. Breathe into it and relax. Fully in and let go. Fully in and let go. And we have 10 breaths. And fully in and let go. Now you're going deep. Like, think about the ocean, the waves coming to the shore. In and out. Go with the flow. Fully in and let go. Fill up your body with fresh oxygen so that you can hold it for a couple of minutes without any air in the lungs. Fully in and let go. Deep breathing into the belly, chest, head, and relax. 20 breaths. And if you feel light in your head, loose in your body, or feel some tingling sensation, it's all alright. Just fully in and let go. We're just charging up the body. We want to go deep. So fully in and let go. Belly, chest, head, and let go. Fully in and let go. Fully in and let go. Okay, last 3 breaths. Fully in and let go. Belly, chest, head, let go. Okay, last breath in and out. Stop after the exhalation. Completely relax. Just be aware. Feel the body. Feel the calmness of the mind. Just witness. Feel the feeling. Go with the flow. Feel the rush, the blood in your nervous system. You're fully charged with oxygen, so there's no need for breathing. But your reptilian brain, your monkey mind, always jumping from one thing to the next, tells you, hey, we need oxygen, we need to breathe. But you are alright, you're getting alkaline. Your body and your mind is completely fine. And there's so many various benefits to the Wim Hof breathing technique. It will boost your immune system, concentration, your mental well-being, your willpower, your energy, relieve some symptoms of depression, relieve stress. You can really tap into your deeper self. It releases melatonin. It will stimulate your pineal gland. The breath hold will allow the blood to re-establish acidity and allow red blood cells to begin releasing the oxygen. Whilst holding the breath, no new oxygen comes back into the blood. As a result, oxygen saturation in the blood lowers and lowers as the body uses it up. Any brain scan is able to tell that. So if you can continue longer. I will stop my time now. And deep breath in, squeeze into the head. Squeeze the buttocks muscles, the belly, and up to the head. And hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And let go. And relax. This was one round of the Wim Hof breathing. You can of course continue lying down after your 3 rounds, or you immediately start working out. What you also can do is you do your 30 breaths, then you exhale fully, and then with no air in the lungs you do some push-ups, and you will see you can do 5 to 10 push-ups more than usually, sometimes even double. And I can do 20 without air in my lungs. I can do 30, just that you can see the benefit and the power behind this breathing technique. I stopped now my watch 1:41. For the first round, quite good. Usually I come around 2 minutes. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment below what was your experience, how much time you can hold the breath, maybe even for 5 minutes would be interesting to know. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.